Simpsons fans are once again pointing to an eerie moment from the show, claiming it predicted a massive snowstorm hitting on Christmas 2025. In the imagined scene, cities are buried under thick snow as freezing winds turn holiday joy into chaos. Roads are blocked, flights are canceled, and families are forced to stay indoors instead of celebrating together. Power outages spread, Christmas lights go dark, and emergency sirens echo through silent streets. What should have been a festive day becomes a fight to stay warm and safe. Many viewers say this snowy disaster feels uncomfortably close to reality, making the prediction feel chillingly possible.